Hello everyone and welcome to Golden PC Tutorials. Today we're going to talk about the 10 tips to make your PC faster. So let's get started. Number 1, Windows Update. Go ahead and click on the Start button and type in Update. Click Check for Updates. Now my PC, or my Windows, is up to date, so I do not need to install anything. If your PC is not up to date, you would have a list of pending installations, so make sure that you install those. Number 2, limit startup processes. Again, click the Start button and type in Task Manager. Let's expand this so you guys can see better. Click on the Startup tab. In the Startup tab, there are processes or applications that are going to be running in the background when the PC starts up. By disabling some of these processes, your PC will boot up faster and you should see an increase in performance. Now, for example, I don't want Skype to be one of my startup processes. To disable it, simply right-click and click Disable. Number 3, uninstall programs. Type Programs and click on Add or Remove Programs. So here's my list of programs that I have on this PC. Now your list may be longer, may be shorter, but if you have an application that's taking up a lot of space or you're not using it anymore, it's a good idea to uninstall it. That way you can free up some space on the PC and in turn making your PC run smoother and faster. Number 4, transparency settings. Again, click the Start button and type Transparency. Click on Show Transparency in Windows. And let's scroll down. Transparency effects, you want to have this turned off. Really, all it is a Windows feature that allows your desktop wallpaper to be visible through translucent taskbar. It's just for appearance, so make sure that's turned off. Number 5, empty your recycle bin. Now I don't have any files in my recycle bin. I try to keep up with cleaning it, deleting files. So if you have files in your recycle bin and tons of them, that could take up a lot of space, making your PC run slower. Number 6, performance mode. Click on the Start button and type Performance and find Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. And the option here that you want picked is Adjust for best performance. This will take away from some of the appearance effects, but in turn, you're compromising the appearance or performance. When you're done, click Apply and OK. Number 7, run disk cleanup. Type in disk cleanup and open the application. Now disk cleanup comes with your Windows 10 PC. It clears program files, temporary internet files, files that you don't really need and are safe to delete. Now it says here I can free up 44.9 megabytes, which is great. So press OK and delete files. Next is number 8, disable Windows tips and tricks. Again, we'll go to the Start button and we'll type in notifications. And click on Notifications and Action Settings. And let's scroll down. Get tips, tricks, and suggestions as you use Windows should be unchecked. By disabling this feature, you are disabling suggestions that Windows will give you, any kind of tips or tricks. It's a process that runs in the background that we really don't need. Number 9 is restart your PC. Yes, this does sound a little silly, but I think it's still worth mentioning. Restarting your PC actually clears cache, any kind of background services that may be running, and gives your PC a fresh start. So if your PC is running slow, I would suggest you restart it. Number 10 is reset your PC. Type in reset and click on reset this PC. If you have gone through all of the previous steps and your PC is still slow, you may consider resetting it. Now, be aware that some of your personal files may be deleted as this feature reinstalls Windows. And those were the 10 tips to make your PC faster. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for future videos, and we'll see you next time.